Good morning, y'all. It's Loretta here with Simon. He's got a scrape on his nose. Not sure how he did it. It's June 5th, Thursday. My hair's a mess. I don't care. It's foggy in the redwoods. I'm doing chores. Just listening to the birds and the rooster crow. Beautiful day. Got Batman over there. Mojo. I'm in Gator stall right now. Yeah, so just want to say hi. Good morning. Oh, my hair is a mess. He just messed it up again. But yeah, hi. Kiss, kiss. Nope. He doesn't want to say much. Anyway, please like, subscribe. Let me know what you're doing. Oh, now you do? Maybe? No? Okay. Normally he'll give me kisses. Anyway, and feel free to share. What do you do today?